Hey guys, Jared Weingarten here, and guess what? There's something in this package. Do you know what it is? That's right. This video is sponsored by Redbubble, so yeah. No way. Guys, here it is. Ta-da! The new of a Duck Hunt shirt of Super Smash. A new Duck Hunt shirt, Super Smash Brothers. OMG! Can't wait to wear this. I'm so excited to wear this and show this at school. So, thank you so much. I can't wait to wear this. I am so, getting really excited. It's a large. And it still smells, but wait until I get to wear this tomorrow. So, thank you all so much for watching. Please sure to subscribe, like, and comment. If you want to hit the notification bell button, it's your choice. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Woohoo! Duck Hunt shirt.